If your plant keeps dying despite watering, root rot might be the culprit. It's usually caused by overwatering and poor drainage. Don't worry, today I will show you how to fix it and save your plant. What is root rot? Root rot occurs when roots sit in waterlogged soil, starving them of oxygen. They turn brown, mushy, and die, preventing the plant from absorbing water or nutrients. Signs of root rot: yellowing or dropping leaves even after watering, stunted growth or wilting, foul musty smell from soil, mushy stems or blackened roots. If you spot these, act fast. Check the roots immediately. Step 1. Remove the plant. Gently slide the plant out of its pot. Shake off loose soil to inspect roots clearly. Water bulbs if dealing with many plants. Step 2. Inspect and trim roots. Healthy roots are white or firm. Rotten ones are brown or black or mushy. Use sterilized scissors to cut away all damaged roots up to healthy tissue. Discard severely rotted plants. They rarely recover. Step 3. Use fresh soil and pot. Choose fresh, sterile, well-drained potting mix like cactus or succulent mix works well. Select a clean pot with drainage holes, ideally terracotta for better airflow. Cover drainage holes with mesh or landscape fabric like prevent soil loss. No gravel, it traps moisture. Step 4. Repot correctly. Position the plant at the same depth as before. Fill loosely with soil. Don't pack tightly. Roots need air pockets. Water lightly once, just enough to settle the soil. Then let it drain fully.